Hi, I'm Farah Khan and you're watching my favorite Bollywood Hungama.
It's a huge privilege to have a triumphant Farah Khan with us on Bollywood Hungama once again. Huge pleasure to have you back,
Hello,
Farah.
Faridun. I've met you more often than I met my husband this month, I want to tell you.
Congratulations, first of all,
Thank
on
you.
Happy New Year, doing
Thank
exceedingly
you.
well. How does it feel, first of all, first impressions?
Abhi, Faridun, it's not sunk in. We are only sleeping. Because I think for last 3 months, none of us had slept.
Right.
What with the promotions and the slam tour and the post-production that I was doing. So right now, there's a vacuum right now. I haven't really gone out. One day I went to my children's school and that's when I realized how much the kids loved the movie.
Right.
Because all the children mobbed me and said, Auntie, we loved Happy New Year, and we were so excited to see Zar Diva Anya at the end of the movie. So that is the only time I actually felt that oh, picture lag gayi hai, and you know. But other than that, there's right now we are all living in a vacuum. It's not hit us or we don't know. The picture release हो गई है, लेकिन अभी थोड़ा ऐसे empty लग रहा है हम लोग को.
In fact, my daughter liked the film a lot. Actually.
Yeah, I think most kids have liked the film. I was telling someone, I think I made the first children's film of my career.
Right.
It's exactly what had happened with Main Hoon Na. I'm getting a deja vu actually.
Right.
You know, Main Hoon Na also, as it went along, the children really started enjoying it and watching it, and then. So I think I'm getting that same kind of deja vu feeling. So
did you in any way whatsoever had your children in mind while you was conceiving the film and executing it in a way as well?
Not really, but there are certain things now I keep in mind because I have kids. I didn't want to use unnecessary guns and extra violence or gory violence or blood, and I tried to stay. It's actually my first U certificate film.
अच्छा.
मेरी सारी फिल्में UA हुई हैं. This was the first time when I was shocked I got a U certificate for this film. So no, it's not like that. I mean, my next movie can be heavily adult content. It's what grabs you at that moment. Right. But I think this was a really clean family entertainer. I think families and kids have really enjoyed it.
You've said in a recent interview that I have never said this before, but I need to now. Our country is sexist, and so is our country. A male director gets away with anything. Our industry, yeah. A male director gets away with anything. Why is there so much pressure on me to do a certain kind of films just because I am a woman? You feel somewhere that maybe there is. I don't know. Maybe
this time I felt it, Faridun. I think this time I felt that har bar they pick on me, or maybe not only me personally, but like why she made this movie? Right. Why is she being allowed to get this mega budget and make this kind of a movie? And why can't she make some? So there's a pressure, not that of other kinds, but that there's a pressure of a certain kind of movie that is expected of women to make.
Right.
I felt the pressure this time, especially after the movie release. There were clearly two. One was saying we loved the movie and we enjoyed it and it's full entertainment, and one was like, why is she making this kind of movie and why are making. So I felt that I don't think they question male directors. When a big budget bonanza event movie is made.
Right.
I'm probably the only woman director who will be in the 200 crore whatever so-called club. This club of which I have no interest in going.
You were not even in 100 crore club before.
I was not even in the 100 crore club earlier. So I think just the pressure of a lot of intellectual minds telling a filmmaker what they should be making, especially women filmmakers. I think that pressure is very dangerous and people should not conform to it.
Hi, this is Faridun Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.